Mini importation. Trust me, anything to do with buying and selling, or if you do it right, it's very profitable. Yeshe Ghana ha kukudam for omoa they are well off and omoa say omuosika and are the richest people in Ghana. No, they are all into buying and selling. Se o tonyema Fofoofo na ode onfaso kakra aka ho. This sort of trade no is what runs every economy. Se o importing yama no, se o exporting yama no. This is all about trade. And that's why myself and my team, we've dedicated ourselves, to educate you guys. You can always start from A to Z. We will be also how to buy things at an affordable price and also sell with a little bit of profit margin so you can make a bit of profit so you can feed yourself and family. Then for Fofoofo TV, we are right here for you. In today's video, myself and my team, we are going to discuss about the benefits of mini importation and the benefits of buying things from China at a lower price and also selling in Ghana with a bit of a profit. There's a lot of people that have made a lot of money from this business. Mention my friend Nancy and Bernard. Then we take you guys through the importance and some of the benefits that comes with mini importation. Hello, Busiafo, and here back share the benefits of mini importation. Me sure say we will have our follow channel way up, but or you're a bit skeptical to get into this mini importation business. And she said yaji yakunye your Mr. Bernard waha, your sister Nancy waha, and then we are coming to look at few benefits of mini importation. And one of the benefits, no and a low startup cost. And sister Nancy and brother Bernard, Mosha mini importation way. Obi betumi aka say onfesike bia and start and what sort of amount na obi here to get into this mini importation business?
All right, so say can no they say we have person start mini importation but we need 10% there is a possible way so with me start which is we start as a pre-order group, so we gather amount for person montonema but one want to say autonomous free China, but this time right, we take it some time frame, and you say within some shortest period, take it some 45 days. Until I'm very relaxed enough for your match and then they will pay for the shipping fee. Until with that, Obama won't name man go, no what you cannot on name man. Until you say now do then shame, but nobody can just scan from for now for the work to turn name man or my chain. I'm not chain man name on the bar. Then I'm going to shipping fee. Until with that one far usika start but all selling the money more no tiasi no more was Canada cotton until with that one say there only but
you don't need any capital to start. Oh, okay. Now say you're thinking of other ways now. Say I don't know as it would be all starting pre-order business.
Yes, that's pre-order.
Okay. In that regard, and still be here data.
Oh yeah, all started there. Some kakrabi or beto bando ne and nema there. I also sourcing, but
there's no any problem because even say WhatsApp phone can now if you are chat will be and I say we're down for and I say family member be definitely you need data. It's say dear we now edin fast bro. Even in Yama, we crowd TikTok, I share videos, we cry and fan for some bro, but sa pre-order we are yaking, dear day in Fasobia, a bed bro, I be obeying CKB womb, and I be my wanya named dear, in Yama be home, in no dear, I shall see any data and a day and factor and no. Because with
the factor no as a cost, to get started because we getting your data in the first place. Okay. Now we can low startup. We be share. We can say, we say low startup. Into me 100 Ghana. Now I just say me baby starting pre-order business. Me 100 Ghana. Maybe to me I order nyama from China to Ghana. No, I'm not to am me nyama faswana.
Oh, and they are very possible, because you can start as low as even 50 cedis. 50 cedis. Yeah, mbani maybe I kind of face masks. ana under eye marks ana your friend is say sa inyama we ne bo anye din wo China honom na inyama bi ti say some ladies bags bi wo honom so a ne bo anye din ukra ebia 20 cedis kwa you can get some nice cute ladies bag o de ba your friend is say obenya nkofo ato enti no sa no there some category of stuffs bia eno prices na wo China no e wo form nti no sa no fa san nyama na o de ba shipping fee no so wo form nti ba sa na nyama ne bedu obenya mfa so bebre also because and face mask ni say obetimi nya no be say 50 pesos and 1 cedi e wo China honum e na e ba shipping fee no so esan say e ya ade a e flat nti no e omo package wo box kesie bi mu on be package wo box kitwe bi mu nti e ba o shipping fee no e bi akosra ye 50 cedis into all they can be 50 cedis or they to be 100 pieces and no be say 150 cedis. It is 150 cedis no be a oton be a 314 cedis. In fact, when you have so baby was a friend is saying ubenya sika udi shemu and I saying your profits e be a subsidize your friend is saying bundle now fee say we use the sourcing
to start a business no. Okay.
Yeah, and some of the
okay.
Say eyeliner and more rare most.
Yeah, price on news.
Light and see with me I'm also top and with me so I then after any money so I can yeah.
It's regardless of more budgets beyond their products are to me at top from China more budget in the beson. To me the Ghana at Tonya Faso. And see, say we'll start with no money, we'll start with 50 Ghana, 100 Ghana, 1,000 Ghana, Ninano, Ubenya product then, Ubetum the at all China ho. And this what makes mini importation good. And I'm a
yeah.
Okay. So the sister Nancy church about face mask no. So betum at ton at low cost. And while beton at higher cost, no we know profits margin. In taking a bit to mark, I said the next benefit in the year, you can get a high profit margin.
Yeah.
No crap.
Okay. And see how can someone get high profits from mini importation?
All right. So your name of Ghana has say regular markets na kota there. One year cry na 20 cedis and I say be at 30. If you cry to be be 50. But China now and Chinese app as well, which matter as low as 2 cedis and after 3 cedis. In this animal we know so turn be a certain quantity be 100 pieces and I say be 200 pieces at a time one. Depending on how much I will turn. Me yes, was say about crown shipping fee crop it more 150 cedis and do so. Yeah, and see, animal we go tip price in the frame. Now if you shipping fee in the frame, turn the normal price na cost for Ghana as in definitely we get me more than 500 cedis and 600 cedis profit margin. And see, putting so when you over 300% margin as profit here.
Okay.
Me for example we shim phone cases ne bo onye din wo China kra e na eba is something flat nti no so ne packaging yes bibia either box kitwe bi mu na no package wo rubber kitwe bi mu nti eba sa na Ghana ha ebi mu ton 30 cedis ubenya ne low kra Ghana kra 15 cedis nti China ho no ne boyefo and all the shipping fee can okra na you will get a lot of profit and a ladies bag ya na nsin ya ba no kra no China ho you can get some 20-25 shipping fee be ba ubetu ya 10 cedis pe na so bag no muton 80 cedis wa kra. It is 80 cedis no you can save like they say 20 something cedis into they say auto do be say 5 you are making over 100 cedis plus profit on this bags. Yes.
Okay. Natural sense for so mu papa. You'll be like you know what you're doing. Now name the sort of product I will talk about beton which mean you for so be brave. It's one of the benefits so they for free Mr. Bernard and Sister Nancy there's a lot of profits in mini importation. But so the number can be about shipping fee some motor from China. And so when you also ubiko China or kwakofanya mani beton and now might be from the comfort of their home and are using their phone.
Oh, you see, I know the importation they are about ultimate na fee, but we are ultimate on name. Obi at top pin ya shipping name wo ya pins e shem nipa coding boso and as pins here the insert reject sim card free phones in say no obi kra to be that enti the yan say wo agent or no wo China wo warehouse obi insert nipa na address no ana company address no wo app ni enti wo to ade bia courier service no ana supplier no be deliver ko that warehouse and then on some day on be ship ya ba and I say the money kizinkitin you need somebody or be ship ya then abroad because won ko for her agents for almost shipping one kizinkitin because mo bobo no no my pack full container mo ya dey I want the aba yeah say
okay and to the okay, say when it comes to flexibility in operation, and this is one of the benefits, which might be flexible. You don't have to go, get your visa, buy plane tickets, go to China, pay for your accommodation, go and look for suppliers, ship their way your friends and Yema to Ghana. When like with the system in place for mini importation, you can do everything from the comfort of your home and from your phone. Just an patcher.
Yeah.
Okay, and so that's also one of the benefits when it comes to the flexibility in operation. A lot of business, you need a lot of startup capital, and so we were pretty crano and easy. But when it comes to mini importation, I said the abobo, so low startup cost. To me, I started with jet rate Caribbean. Even if you don't have money, I know you'll be a business minded. You can start with the pre-order. High profit margin. Said you can, which me ato. Ladies bags here be Fofoofo ewa China, and I said the sister Nancy can phone KTC Fofoofo ewa China. Now the aba. Ghana now don't faso kakra to so no edeng na watong and I said the kind so about operation so now and when it comes to you looking for the products and shipping the products from China to Ghana, you don't have to move your ass to China. You can do everything from the comfort of your own home, which is really, really good. Okay, another benefit to know, I think that we cannot leave this out. Mini importation creates a lot of jobs.
And there no crepa.
Okay. So why will you say that? Why will you say it creates a lot of jobs?
Esan se here sika bebre a wo de be hya ase e na de here se wo so wo de be hya ase kra na ye ebia wo phone e na wo data ni nti no e ma ye friend say ebia wo ye secondary school afina we school foforo na opese o start bibia e no entimi prevent o ana se ebia we obi a ye friend say wa wo ba foforo ana se we obi a we invest na uni ejuma ye na afina wo hwehwe ejuma obetimi di sa mini importation we AC we ni so
and sister Nancy make one role the sister point na sister Nancy makes a lot of sense. With the young car and but you started this Fofoofo TV, there are lots of people they've gotten into this business, they are making a lot of money. And when your people they were looking for a business to do, you were more they are professionals or more moko majuma did that 9 to 5 almost salary no and so on. Almost started this mini importation at one channel, they are making a lot of profits. Or more maybe high schooler, they are looking for jobs, or to me in your jobs, so. If so, the almost cry then mini importation way more, and they are making a lot of money. Or more call maternity, say, yeah, mammy free, or more fire. Or more career 9 months, or maybe as well, since some more in Kolano, or to me and Kwejuma 9 to 5, with the comforts from their own home, with this mini importation business or me to me I venture into it. Into the can say with this mini importation are creating a lot of jobs. And I say you're very, very flexible. You don't need to say the car about flexibility in operation, you don't need to actually go to China, but all you need is your phone and data. Say you're very flexible. A lot of people have ventured into it. And to when also not creating a lot of jobs for the youth, for our professionals, for our mothers, for our fathers. Also, mini importation said they were wide range of products will be a bit to me akofebia babetono. Obu na opese me are interested in kolanyema. In kolanyema nkwana eden opese okofa ebeton. Obu na ope gadgets. Said the boss Bernard way on the Ukasa Uncle to you some gadgets in number 2 back of our betonkos, or you'll be your IT guy or this tech gadgets. Into so you'll be our shaman up a so of this sort of Yamasu beton, which you have beton. Inti, you better make I say, or more person niche down, it's one of the benefits of mini importation and now.
But try no correct. And there are some products be or no ma ebia wunya wo Ghana ho. Now so China ho de obetimi nya. Nti sa products ni bi nso no obetimi order de aba because some of the products bi ho no ma e wo China nanso ni Ghana nanso ebedu Ghana pe no obia very interested. So long as said there is video circulating, said this is how the product is being used, and away a benefit I'll be free products no ho. No sir, remember unkofo arashi in to buy it. And a unkofo bi or hono muswa about mini importation, my imagine say or more specializing or abia a bags on quano moto, a bags on quano moto, say abia a electronics on quan, abia a roots a mpaboa a force bill a shen bills some no because ade unique in no it's easy to identify them and easy to abeto Sunday and Philippine chain.
Yeah.
Okay. Yeah, and to say this is an answer kind of also then say TikTok there are some sort of products we able say air trendy pa but uku kroma unya that sort of product. This is where mini importation comes in. Because regardless of products now being say air trendy or TikTok no. Yeah, when you go to China and also on this apps you usually talk nyama in regards to mini importation no ubenya that products. No so afibi aye den ababeton no when you on faso kakra. And that's also one of the benefits of mini importation. Okay, TFO, and then we discussed a lot. You're looking at the benefits of mini importation. We normally create this video so that you'll be now share now you want to get into this business, but you're a bit skeptical. Now your mouth will boost to your morale no, to get into this business. When it comes to the benefits now, we looked at how you can start with no and low startup cost. Another one is here how you can get a lot of profits, high profits margins. Another one is a job creation. Mini importation wine will be a bit to me IB and obviously yenye MPP yenye NDC, but we are helping create a lot of jobs for Ghanaians. And Ghanaians, and regardless of your age, how you can venture into this. And then we also looked at how, you can, when it comes to operational, it's very flexible. From the comfort of your own home and also using your phone, you can operate your business because we have everything in line now when it comes to you buying the products and also shipping the products from China to Ghana. No, everything is in place for you. And there are a lot of companies, including us, Ghana. And we also looked at how with mini importation, regardless of products, and if you also want to specialize in a certain product, and niche it down, then you look or you target certain sort of people I want to sell to, and you target certain products you want to buy and sell in Ghana. So I think so these are the points now we discussed about in this episode. No. Before we go on, Sister Nancy, Mr. Bernard, anything for our audience before we wrap up?
So enjoy some benefits so making sure say ubenya shipping agents. Shipping agents do pay you upobia obetinya shipping on your money be ama bacho Fofoofo imports or honor.
Yes, and also so be open training so I waiting so about Fofoofo imports for the training. Now for the days and we can start from there.
All right. Thank you so much for joining in this episode. As time goes on, so no more you've already gotten into mini importation, or we'll try and invite one or two. Almost so much share their experience with you guys. Then Kwame, Nancy, Anna Bernard, Anna Debia, good news in regards to mini importation, bro. Or more they've already started in this business. We'll also try and invite some on this channel so we can have a discussion with them so they can share the good news and the experience in regards to mini importation. If you've not subscribed, please click on that subscribe button and subscribe now, because every week, we'll try and bring you educational videos. Within the Kwame Chumisi, Mr. Bernard, Sister Nancy, thank you so much for joining us. And your message share in our next episode. It's a bye for now.